What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how to make $300 per day with Teespring as a complete beginner. And guys, it's going to be super easy because I'm going to be share with you how you can really get tons and tons of sales and can really easily scale up. But before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100 every single day with affiliate marketing, then check out the link in the description. And with this training you can easily make $100 every single day. I have shared 4 free traffic sources in this training as well. Okay, and make money online. If you are in the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now, how are we going to make $300 with Teespring? Literally guys, it's going to be super easy because the most of the guys struggle with creating the great designs and then selling them. So I'm going to be share with you both of the things. The first thing comes is designing. How are you going to design the stuff that is going to sell really like it should blast? Okay, so what we are going to do on the Teespring, you know that you can design anything over here like apparel, home decors, whatever, phone cases, accessories, mugs and all those things. Okay, so now what you need to do and how are we going to make the best designs that will be viral? Okay, so there are tons and tons of things. The first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the Amazon. Okay, you can go to any shopping for whatever the shopping app it can be, whether it's Walmart or whatever, but we try to do the stuff where you can find the speciality in the clothes. Okay, maybe the Amazon is not the speciality in the clothes, but when you are going to Amazon, you need to look for the best seller of the clothes. Okay, when you are going to look for the best seller in the clothes, you will see there are tons and tons of designs. So what you will see, which designs are popular. You need to find the best seller. You need to find the best seller, so you will come to know what designs really sell very best. So what you need to do, you need to create the same designs. You need to explore in some of the more online stores, for example, whatever it can be. Try to find the best places where you can find the best clothes. You can search on the Google as well, for example, best stores, online stores to buy clothes. Okay, best online stores to buy clothes. So in this way you are going to look at this over here. So in this way you are going to get all of the online store where you can find good clothes, and when you are going to find the best sellers, you will see what the guys really likes. So you need to create the same thing. Okay, I'm not telling you to create just copy the design. I mean that create the something like same, but try to make it even better so that the people will attract you. You can create all of the designs on the Teespring, and the rest of the work that Teespring will do. Okay, they are going to sell it, they are going to receive the payment, they are going to deliver it, whatever the headache is. And the second way is to find the viral designs. Is you can search on the Instagram, for example, men t-shirt or whatever you want to do. You need to find over here, for example, women clothes. You are going to find the designs which people really like. How are you going to find that? You need to look for the likes on the explore page, and if you cannot find with that, you need to find the big accounts in your niche. For example, find the big accounts in the men t-shirt, and in the same way you are going to look for the likes, which post is having tons and tons of likes, and try to make the design similar to that or even better. So in that way you are going to get tons and tons of traffic, because all of the t-shirts are really in trend, so the people are also going to buy your t-shirt. I am not going to say that if you are going to create 10 t-shirt, all of them will go viral. Only one will go viral, but one viral t-shirt can make you thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, how are you going to promote? You have created the best designs, designs you can create. Now we are going to promote our t-shirt. Now there are 2 or 3 lots and lots of ways, but the people think that only with paid traffic you can sell a lot of t-shirts. No guys, basically what you can do on the Facebook, you can find tons and tons of groups. You need to search for your groups. For example, when it is of women clothes, search for the women clothes on the Facebook. And let's say this is really guys very important, just listen this. Let's say if you can find just 10 groups with, let's say, 50,000 members, you are going to find 10 groups with just 50,000 members. So if you can find the 10 groups with 50,000 members, that means you have reached to 500,000 guys. You just need 10 groups, and on the Facebook you can even find 100,000 member groups. So what you need to do, you need to show the design. You do not need to sell the design, you need to show the design. Do not add the link in the post, just tell them comment below if you want to buy this t-shirt. So they are really going to buy that, because that they really, if they like it, out of 500,000 people, can you just get about 30 sales? Let's say if you are going to make if you are just going to get $10 for every sale you made, then you just need 30 sales to make $300. And out of 500,000 guys, can you make $300? Can you just sell 30 t-shirts? Absolutely guys, you can easily do that. So this is the ultimate way. And if your t-shirt is really going to be, if your design is going to be so much good, then all of them you will be start getting the orders in the bulk. And this is the ultimate hack of selling the t-shirt. Now let's say maybe you are not going to get the viral t-shirt within the first time. So let's say, but you can really get 30 to 50 sales easily every single day by doing this stuff. So you can do something like let's say now you have made $300. So what you can do, you can go on the Facebook and invest this $300. Go on the Instagram and invest this $300. Just run the ads. Just like you need to spend for every t-shirt, you can spend like $30. For every t-shirt, spend like $30. What I will suggest you spend at least $100 for every single t-shirt, and try to advertise it on Instagram, try to advertise it on Facebook. Then you will see which t-shirt is getting huge response from your Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Then what you need to do, you need to invest more and more. And if you are going to promote a 50 t-shirt and you can just get one viral t-shirt, one can make you millions and millions of dollars. Guys, it will go viral because we are already using the viral content, viral designs. So this is the ultimate hack of making a lot of money. You are getting the sales for free, and then you need to invest that money. This is the only way. And guys, there are lots and lots of guys who are making with the print on demand, POD. They are making millions of dollars by just figuring out one viral t-shirt. You can easily do this, and really guys, it really works very well. You just need to do some research and start promoting your t-shirt, create your own t-shirt. You can find the stores where you can find the best sellers. Okay, the best sellers are the one which people really like. So if they are going to like those t-shirt, they are also going to like yours as well. Okay, so I really hope that you will start taking action from today, and not from today but from now. Just close this video and just start taking action. But before you are closing, also do not forget to take your free training to make $100, because I have also shared 4 traffic sources that you can also use in the Teespring as well. And I will see you in the training. Bye bye for now.